Hello friends, welcome to my another video. In this kitchen and home review, we tested Amazon kitchen gadgets, so you don't have to. We always like to add innovation to our videos. So if you like the video, be sure to subscribe to the channel and comment and share. These smart gadgets make cooking simple, fast, and stress-free for everyone. Perfect for beginners, busy parents, and home chefs who love practical solutions. From chopping to storing, these tools make every step easier. Trending now on Amazon, TikTok, and Temu, and they actually work. Each product is affordable, durable, and designed for everyday cooking needs. Say goodbye to complicated gadgets and hello to effortless. So let's start the video. Vegetable chopper. The original Pro Chopper, our superstar veggie slicer, has been creating waves on TikTok. Simple to use, set up, and clean. Save time and energy during meal prep with our OG vegetable chopper. Chop, slice, and dice your ingredients like a seasoned chef. Easy meal prep with rust-resistant blades. Our vegetable chopper is perfect for anyone who wants to eat healthier but doesn't have a lot of time to spare. Dice potatoes, tomatoes, cucumbers, carrots, and more with the heavy-duty, rust-resistant blades. The 420 stainless steel blades retain razor sharpness for crisp, smooth dicing. A kitchen essential. Whether you're a novice cook or a seasoned pro, the Full-Star Food Chopper is a must-have in any kitchen. It's versatile, easy to use, and dishwasher safe. Please read the instruction manual provided with the Full-Star Food Chopper closely before use. Basting brush. Made from durable stainless steel. The durable stainless steel construction is ideal for long-lasting use and is easy to clean with just a rinse. Holds up to 16 fluid ounces. The basting pot is able to hold up to 16 fluid ounces of sauce, ensuring you can coat even large cut of meat evenly with just one pot. Integrated brush lid design. Adjustable pet food measuring. Food-grade materials. The CatDog Food Scoop is made of food-grade PET and ABS materials and can be in full contact with food. The smooth surface of food measuring cup is easy to clean, ensuring every bite your pet takes is safe, and it's durable and long-lasting use. Scale adjustable design. 1/2 dog cat food scoop is clearly marked with the capacity. It is used to accurately measure the proportions of your pet's food, making it easy for you to customize a standard diet. This measuring food scoop has an adjustable capacity from 1/8 cup to 1/2 cup, 2 tablespoons to 9 tablespoons. Bread knife. Quality construction. Knife is crafted with one-piece high-carbon Japanese steel for easy edge maintenance and long-lasting sharpness. Superior design. Built to last, ergonomic handle with textured finger points offers a non-slip grip with added comfort, durability, and safety. Best use. The teeth on the wavy edge of the knife's blade easily slice through food's crust or skin without tearing the soft inside. Ideal for slicing bread, angel food cake, meatloaf, fruits, and tomatoes. Easy care. To maximize the performance and longevity of your Mercer knife, carefully wash cutlery by hand after each use with warm water and mild soap. Rinse and dry completely with a soft towel. Do not place in dishwasher or submerge for long periods of time. Mercer Culinary Millennia Series. Innovative features and unparalleled performance to meet the demands of today's professional chefs and home cooking enthusiasts. Tang provides excellent balance. Cast iron smashed burger press. Heavy-duty cast iron. 6.5 cast iron burger press ensures even pressure, creating juicy, flavorful smashed burgers every time. Perfect smash burger crust. Flat edge helps achieve crispy, caramelized edges for that classic smash burger taste. Versatile smashing. Ideal for use on griddles, skillets, and grills, making it perfect for both indoor cooking and outdoor cookouts. Easy to clean. This hamburger smasher tool can be cleaned by hand washing with warm water and mild soap for quick and hassle-free cleanup. Kitchen blender. Powerful crushing. The 72 ounces. Total crushing pitcher pulverizes ice to snow in seconds for creamy frozen drinks and smoothies with a powerful 2+ horsepower motor. 64 ounces max liquid capacity. Food processing. 8-cup food processor bowl provides perfect, even chopping and makes up to 2 pounds of dough in just 30 seconds. 4 versatile functions. All 4 functions, blend, mix, crush, and single serve, utilize 1,500 watts of performance power to truly customize your drink-making experience. Blades for any recipe. Stacked blade assembly for the pitcher, dough blade and chopping blade for the processor bowl, and Nutri Ninja blades for single-serve cups. Easy to clean, dishwasher safe, and BPA-free parts. Hand washing. Wash the containers, lids, and blade assemblies in warm, soapy water. Use the provided cleaning brush or a dishwashing utensil with a handle to avoid direct hand contact. Auto-electric can opener. Effortless can opening. Hands-free operation smoothly opens cans with minimal effort. Easy operation. Open almost any cans with our electric can opener. Press the button to start. Cuts cleanly along the side of cans, leaving smooth edges. Press the button again to stop. Thoughtful gift idea. A practical and versatile gift for family and friends, suitable for kitchen enthusiasts and anyone seeking convenience. Smooth edge design. The blade cuts along the side of the can, reducing food contact, prevents spills, and leaves smooth, rounded edges. User-friendly design. Ergonomic design allows for strain-free use. Ideal for elderly individuals and those with limited hand strength. Convenient cooking. Save energy and simplify meal prep with a tool designed for easy and efficient use. Baking dish. 6-piece set. Includes 1 9x13 x 3-inch glass baking dish with plastic lid. 1 7x11 x 2.75-inch glass baking dish with plastic lid. And 1 8x8 x 2.75-inch glass baking dish with plastic lid. These deep baking dishes are the essentials to have in any kitchen, as they are versatile in use from prepping to baking and storing. Go deeper. Add up to 50% deeper than the Pyrex Basics dishes you know and love. There's more room to get creative. Deeper size stops spillovers, and more importantly, holds more of the good stuff for your parties and gatherings. Snug fit lids. Perfectly fitting and BPA-free plastic lids are freezer, microwave, and top rack dishwasher safe. No need to hold back when warming your food or storing your leftovers for tomorrow. Digital kitchen scale. Digital kitchen scale with food-safe, BPA-free plastic components. Stainless steel platform with wide LCD screen. Weighs up to 11 pounds, 2 grams minimum, up to about 5,000 grams. Displays results in pounds, ounces, grams, fluid ounces, and ml. Tare button for measuring just the food, minus the container weight. Battery operated. 2 AAA batteries included. Product dimensions. 8.3 x 7 x 1.3 inches. Bench scraper. Thickened stainless steel. This bench scraper is made of thickened stainless steel, non-reactive, rust-free, hygienic, and durable. Heavy duty. Precision beveled edge. Made of knife-grade steel, the edge is beveled precisely. Balanced sharpness is convenient for scraping and cutting. Firm grip. Ergonomic and comfortable non-slip wooden handle. Great for scraping up food ingredients to easily transfer to a mixing bowl or for cleaning your work surface. Measuring inch marking scale. For precise measuring while cooking or grilling. Griddle scraper bench knife. Also perfect for barbecue and grill, as well as for cast iron griddle or flat top cooking as griddle grill accessories for your home kitchen or backyard barbecue. Great as a gift. Ceramic spoon rest. Ideal size 1 PCS 4.5 into 6.9 round spoon rest fits most cookware such as fork, basting brush, spoon, spatula, strainer, coffee spoon, tongs, chopsticks, etc. Can also be used as a mini dip pan, small plate for sugar, cookies, lemon slices, and more. The high-quality spoon rack is made of food-grade ceramic. Ceramic will never mold like silicone or plastic, is both heat-resistant and will not corrode, and can withstand heavy-duty use. The wide base and the swirling depression in the middle ensure the stability of your utensils, allowing the spoon holder to catch all the stains and drips from your cooking utensils, keeping your counters and stovetop neat and tidy. Unique design and color options. This cooking spoon holder features a distinctive swirl motif design that adds an artistic touch to your kitchen.